Let's get started with the final part, part 8. Now that we're done talking about standard zoom lenses, let's talk about super zooms. These lenses tend to have very poor image quality, and on top of that, they have a very small maximum aperture, and on top of that, they also have a variable aperture as well. The difference is a super zoom is able to cover a wide angle as well as a telephoto range. A super zoom is not to be confused with a telephoto lens. The one advantage of a super zoom lens is you don't need to carry a wide angle to short telephoto lens, and you don't need to carry a short telephoto to standard telephoto lens. That's it. Super zooms with constant maximum apertures do exist. They are, however, limited to television and movie production due to the fact that they are extremely heavy and extremely bulky, as well as being extremely expensive. Fun ways to use lens aberrations. Not all of them are bad and can be used to create some fun creative images. You don't have to worry about getting an optically perfect lens if you know how to use aberrations to your advantage. As for chromatic aberration and coma, well, these things are simply annoying. Vignetting, on the other hand, can be used to attract more attention to the subject. And on top of that, the darkening of the corners can make the background look blurrier. Flaring? Those can be fun in the right circumstances. When you stop down your lens, you get these star flares. These tend to be a very popular type of flaring. The other type of flaring is so excellent that Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, and Premiere have a plugin to duplicate it. It's this flare you're looking at right now. As I said a long time ago now, don't worry about trying to get an optically perfect lens. A lot of these lens aberrations can be kind of fun. This is the end of the video. This has been a long script, and congratulations, you're now a camera lens expert. Stay tuned to how to become a camera lens master, where I will cover specialized lenses and specialized lens controls, and specialized lens construction and materials.